Updating the BIOS on a Gigabyte motherboard can be performed through the Gigabyte App Center utility. This tutorial outlines the steps to install the App Center, locate the BIOS update tool, and download the latest BIOS version from Gigabyte servers. Step 1. Download and install Gigabyte App Center. Open a web browser and navigate to the official Gigabyte website at gigabyte.com. Enter your motherboard model into the search bar or example, B45OMDS3H. Click on the correct motherboard from the search results, then select the Support tab. Scroll down and click the Utility tab. Locate Gigabyte App Center in the list and click the Download button. Step 2. Open the BIOS utility within App Center. Launch the Gigabyte App Center. Look for the utility named BIOS. If it does not appear in the installed utilities, check the Not Installed tab and click Install next to BIOS. Once installed, launch the BIOS utility from within the App Center. The BIOS utility will display information about your current BIOS version, flash memory size, and motherboard model. Step 3. Download the latest BIOS from server. Navigate to the tab labeled Update from Server. This option allows direct download of the latest BIOS version from Gigabyte servers. Select the server location closest to your region to improve download speed. Choose the correct BIOS version for your exact motherboard model and revision. Verifying the correct board and revision is essential to avoid compatibility issues. Using Gigabyte App Center to update BIOS involves installing the App Center, launching the BIOS utility, and downloading the latest BIOS version directly from Gigabyte servers. This method simplifies the update process by automatically identifying compatible BIOS versions based on your motherboard model.